I've been a lot of places. I've been across a lot of mountains, been on a lot of good mountain roads, been on a lot of really popular motorcycle roads, drivers roads, national parks, mountains, blah, 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 blah. But what I'm getting ready to do here in just a second is the only place in my entire world travels that I've ever seen this. You see this little sign right here? See, 20 miles an hour. But look at the sign. The road turns around and goes back under its own self. Like we're doing it right now. Like you can see over there is the curve. And it goes around and does a complete 360-degree turn with a little tunnel. So it's a little tunnel, so it's a little rev. But yeah, we just went completely around in a circle and went back under ourselves. That's awesome. Like I said, I don't know of anywhere else in the world that a road does that. If you know of a place, I'd love to know about it, just because that's cool. But I'm in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, and that's where that curve is. Super cool, totally worth going through the park just to do that, just because it's awesome. And like I said, I don't know of anywhere else. I don't know of any other road that goes around in a complete circle and goes underneath itself. Curve, tunnel. Alright, got the rev in. Observing the laws and practices of motorcycle riders in regards to tunnels.